Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mrs. Buitenbeentje. Let's talk about this. Let's talk about this. This is a design by Kim Dave Design and it is drafted to your own body measurements. She made this dress, this off the shoulder. My life is put all the way together in her video, which I'm going to link in the eye right there, as well as in the description box below, because you guys need to go and show her some love and create this dress for yourself. Yes, the measurements that you have to take in order to create this, and I'm going to stand up, you guys, I'm going to show you, is you need across the shoulder measurements, bust line measurements, waistline, hip line, vertical distance from the shoulder to the bust, bust to waist, waist to hip, the dress length, the dress hem width, nipple to nipple, around the knee, and you're ready to go. An aid that I used for this. Okay, I can't wait. You guys, what is going on? What is going on? Okay, so what we have is off the shoulder. Now my shoulder was, my dress is a little much. So I do have a strapless bra on with this one. But this part is something that you can determine for yourself. And so it is a little wider than I expected it to be. But it's a look. But everything is just, it's just to your body. It is completely customized. I have short sleeves, so of course it's not really for this time of the year, but oh well. The back, and it is a little below my knee, and I have a 4 centimeter hem over there, and just a I think a 2 centimeter hem right here. I was so bold to put my own label in this thing because it is sewn by me. Well, it's not really my own label, but it's the label that I use for all of the things that I make, which is, I hope you're happy with it, and yes I am. This is what I use. This is by Prim. I got it as a birthday gift from my hubby. And it is a dressmaker ruler. This one is so fancy. You guys, I would not have spoiled myself and buying this thing, but beautiful. This is the side that I use for the curves. This side right here I used for the sleeve to the side. So I would be able to create this. And in order to see exactly how she creates the pattern, again, check out her video, because I had that on replay as well. And I think it would be great. I think it would be great for me to show you the pattern. The pattern is, this is it. The white is going to be a little off, but this is the pattern. And as you can imagine, once I finished it, I was like, I'm not sure about this. But I mean, Kim was right. She knows what she's doing. And so this is my pattern, and I spoke about my fabric. This is my fabric. I bought it at Miekkie. So this is the fabric. I bought 2 meters because that is what Kim indicated that would be best for this dress. So with 2 meters you have enough. And it is a jersey desert or desert and red soil. That's what it is. And that's it, you guys. As always, well, I'm doing the most. As always, I enjoy making this video. I hope you enjoy watching. Don't be afraid, comment down below if you have any questions or just want to say hey. And you have a great great day. Bye.